Greetings, Mark Bernier. As you can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. You notice we have first name here, and we have last name here, and we have full name. What we wanted to do is to combine both name in this particular cell. Yes, very important. But how we're going to do that? Alright, first we want to click into the cell. You're going to set equal. Notice you put in equal, so you're going to click right here on this name. If you notice, A3, then you're going to put the unsigned right here. And then you're going to put the quote. You're going to press the space bar, put another quote again, and then you put the unsigned again, just like that. And then you're going to click right here on the last name. If you notice right here, or it's still like this now, and then you're going to press the enter key. If you notice, both name inside there. And if you come like that, you can come like this and write down like that. You notice everything go right back into place. Very important. So in case if you didn't catch that, let me go back again. Right? You notice you click right here. Click on equal. Very important. You're gonna come right over here in the cell. It's a full name, which is the first name, and click. You notice put right here. So you're gonna put the and key right here. You're gonna put the quote, give some space, and put another quote again, and you're gonna put the word and again. I'm gonna put the word and right there. Definitely. You're gonna click right here. You notice add both of them together right here. Then you have to do press enter on the keyboard, and there you go. So you notice the two name here, and I can also put the cursor right here and just drag down everything, and there you go. So this is how we combine full name right here in our Excel spreadsheet. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.